All right, plantar fascia pain is the pain that you get on the bottom of your foot. It can come from poor footwear or just weakness of your foot. So we're going to show you some exercises to get the muscles of your foot stronger and stretch that out. So let's have you cross this foot over your knee. So you want to stretch it out. So you're going to grab your toes and pull those toes into extension and use your other hand to palpate and make sure that plantar fascia there is nice and taut. And that way you know you're getting a good stretch. You're even stretching at the ankle, stretching it back as well. You can even give yourself a deep soft tissue massage while you have it stretched. Perfect. Good. Then you also want to stretch your calf, and you want to stretch the two muscles of your calf. So I'll have Adam demonstrate the gastroc stretch. So that's going to be with the knee straight. So foot's flat, knee's just coming right over the foot, holding that stretch for about 30 seconds, and then he's going to bend the knee, and now he's going to get that stretch deeper there in the soleus. Good. That'll be a good stretch for that. And now go ahead and have a seat there. You want to start working the intrinsic muscles of the foot. So what I'm going to have Adam do is try to scrunch up this towel with his foot. So put your foot on top and try to grab the towel. It might be hard on the mat. There you go. Perfect. So those are good exercises for the foot. If you have pennies, you can pick up pennies, anything like that. Another thing is toe yoga. Sounds silly, but if you think about how babies move their toes, they can move their toes phenomenally, and we as adults, our feet get lazy because they're locked in a shoe all day long. So Adam, go ahead and let's show them some toe yoga. You're going to lift up just your big toe. Try to lift us. There you go. So good. Just the big toe. You want to do that about 20 reps. I won't make him do 20 reps. And now what you're going to try and do, can you get another one in?
What?
Big toe. Just the big toe. There you go. Good. Now we're going to try just the little toe. So push the big toe down and just lift the little toes. There you go. Good. Try it again. Big toe down. Lift the other ones. Lift these toes. Lift them up. There you go. Sometimes you might need to push your toe down to do it until your body is trained enough to be able to do that. See, that's perfect. You got it. And then the last one is splaying your toes. So splay your toes out. Good. And again, trying to do about 20 reps. You can do those just sitting there watching TV. All right. With plantar fascia pain, you also want to strengthen your ankle and the muscles around your feet. So you're going to put this around your foot. You're going to hold on to it. Step on this. Good. And just pivot on your heel. Good. Again, he's not rotating his whole hip out. He's just moving his leg out to the side. Good. Working those muscles on the outside. Now let's have you work the inside. So take that. Bring it over. You're going to straighten out this leg, though. Good. Cross it. And now he has that resistance so he can strengthen the muscles on the inside. Perfect. All right. Now you want to strengthen that plantar fascia by doing some calf raises, but you're going to do them a little bit different. You're going to do it with, let's have you stand on up. I'm going to have you come over here so you can use this for support. So we're going to do a calf raise, but with his toes elevated on a towel roll. So toes are going to be there so that they're extended a little bit. And then he's going to hold on to this and do a calf raise like that. Good. And you can even do it off of a step. But you want to have those toes extended a little bit so you're really strengthening the bottom of your foot when you do it. Aiming for around 3 sets of 10 to 15. Good.